So hello guys, in the previous video I showed you that I was trading in my 25k eval account of Blue Guardian futures, and I was up around $1,000. So let me show
Hello
you.
guys,
So this was the yes. So this was my previous
start
video
with
in which I was
21st
showing that I was up $1,000 and I needed $500 more to pass that account, and I passed that account. So this is the dashboard of the eval which I passed. So it has a win rate of around 58% with risk to reward of around 1:2 RR. So you can see all my trades: plus 149, plus 533, minus 173. So this is the dashboard. I cannot log into my project X since that account I passed, so I can't log in there. And after passing, I got upgraded to a funded account. So this is my funded account. So this was the eval. It is showing upgraded because I passed it, and this is the funded account. So let me show you the trades that I took in the funded account. So on the first day of on Monday, on the first day of the week, I took a winner. It was a very nice trade. So let me show you. So you can see the confluences in PM session. I was waiting for retracement, waited for 5 minute manipulation, and there was an SMT, and I entered on inverse fair value gap. So this is the 5 minute. As you guys can see, there was a liquidity sweep, there was an internal sweep, and an SMT at 5 minute. So I shifted to lower time frame in 1 minute, and I took the trade on the 1 minute inversion. I entered here. My SL was at here in swing high, and my TP was at 2R. So this was a pretty solid trade. I made around $432 here. And on the second day, I took two trades. So this was the losing day. So first trade. So this was the first trade here. Yeah, so this was the first trade. Price was in discount. There was a 5 minute SMT here, and price respected this 5 minute fair value gap. And after this FVG was respected, I saw an inversion and I entered here. So this was a losing trade. And after this, I took another trade. In this trade I risked very less, around $80 only. So there was a internal sweep, and I entered on the 1 minute inversion here. So this was also a loss. So on Tuesday I lost total $360, and on next day, on Wednesday, I took a trade. It was a 5 minute continuation trade. So this is the high time frame, 5 minute. As you guys can see, this is a 50-minute FPG which was getting respected, and there was a 5 minute SMT here. And then I shifted to lower time frame. Yes, and as you guys can see, there was a BPR here. So I placed my limit order at the BPR, and my order got filled here, and I was saved by around 0.1 points. Otherwise this would also be a losing trade, but I won here. My trade idea was correct. I entered at the BPR. Price was respecting this 15-minute FVG, and you can see price was dumping. I took a 5-minute continuation. My TP was at hourly low. So this is the hourly low, this is the hourly low, and I entered on 1 minute inversion fair value gap, or you can say BPR. So this was Wednesday. On Thursday also I took a same 5-minute continuation trade. It was very similar to the previous day trade. So this is the high time frame. Price was respecting 15-minute and a 5-minute FVG, and here also it respected this 5-minute. So I shifted to 1-minute time frame and started looking for an inversion. Here you guys can see that it respected the equilibrium of the range, 0.5 of the range. It tapped the 0.5 of the range, and then I entered on the 1-minute inversion. So this was also a pretty nice trade. I made around $496. So these all trades I took on my funded account. So on Thursday, after this trade, I was up $1,000. So my account balance was at $26,050. But on this day, I just crashed out. I should have just stopped after my first loss, but I kept trading and kept spamming trades. So I'm showing you what trades I took on Friday. So yes, so this is the 5-minute time frame of NQ. So as you guys can see that there was a 1 hour and 50-minute FVG which was getting respected here. This is the 1 hour FVG, this is the 50-minute FVG. And then I shifted to 5-minute time frame, and I saw that there was some kind of liquidity sweep also. These highs got traded, and the price started to showing behavior that it wanted to reverse it. Yes, so these two FVGs were getting respected. There was a kind of liquidity sweep also, and there was a clean 5-minute inversion. So this was my first trade. I entered here. I took a short on the inversion. My SL was here. It was a very clean trade. It should be a winner, and I was aiming for these equal lows here. So this was my overall trade, and it was a loss. After this trade, I was sitting at a loss of $250 because I was risking $250 in every trade. So after this loss, I should have just closed my platform, my trading view, and all the, and I should have not traded, but I kept on trading because it was Friday, and I don't wanted to end the week with a red day. And then I shifted to 1-minute time frame and started taking 1-minute trade with these inversion. Although this was also a decent trade, I should have shifted myself to break even here, but I didn't. And after these three trades, my account was at minus $624. And currently, let me show you the dashboard of my funded account. 1 minute. Yes, so this is my funded account is currently at $422 profit. So I have traded 3 days. Win ratio is around 40%, as you guys can. can see, yes, and average losing trade 76, average winning trade 200. So I wanted to keep the risk to reward to around 1:2, and my win rate is around 40 to 50% around. These are all the, so this was my first week of February trading on my funded account, and I just messed up and I crashed out on Friday. Otherwise it would be a amazing week and I could have reached the payout stage very soon. So currently I'm planning to follow all my rules. I'm trying to take only one trades a day, only one high quality trades, and then whether it loses or win, I don't care. I will just shut my system down. So yeah, let's see if I can reach the payout stage or not. See you guys in the next video.